Beginning of every morning, say one thing to yourself. I'm trying to be better than yesterday. So with this thought, I, Surbi Sachdeva, going to continue with the same topic that we were doing earlier, and that is clauses. And today we are going to do its two types, which are the noun clause and the adjective clause. So let's get started. So students, as you know that earlier we have done the meaning of clauses and the three main types of clauses, which are the principal clause, the dependent clause and the coordinating clauses. Now we are going to understand the meaning and examples of noun clauses. So what is the meaning of this clause? A clause that acts as a noun in a sentence is called a noun clause. Example: Rohit listened to what was told. Just for your information, I want to tell you that this clause answers the question what. If any clause answers the question what, you can take it by a noun clause. So here, Rohit listened to what? The question arises, Rohit listened to what? Rohit listened to what was told. The answer comes, what was told. So here in this clause, the subject is what, the finite verb is was told, and what was told is a noun clause as it answers the question listened to what. So we know very well that in a clause we have a subject and a predicate. And we have in that predicate at least one finite verb. So these two qualifications we find in this clause. What is a subject and was told is a finite verb. This is why this is the noun clause, and it also answers the questions what. So therefore it acts as a noun in the sentence. So what next? Let's see. We have some more examples of noun clause. She knew that he was unwell, the first example. I know what you are doing, the second example. I don't understand how you read my mind, the third one. So here you can see that he was unwell answers the question what? She knew what? I know what you are doing. I don't understand what? How you read my mind. So all these three clauses tell us that we are talking about the noun clauses. You have to note that the noun clause starts with a subordinate conjunction. As you can see here, that, what and how, these three are the subordinate conjunctions. You can see some more examples of noun clauses in your book, and that we will discuss in our next lecture, in our next online lecture. Now let's get to understand the meaning of adjective clauses and some of its examples. A clause that acts as an adjective in a sentence. And what is an adjective? That describes a noun or pronoun. It is often a relative clause describing some noun or pronoun. See, the meaning of relative clauses, I'll tell you when I'll make the video, and just for now I want to tell you the meaning of adjective clauses. The girl who is sitting on the last bench is my sister is an example of adjective clause, because the letters which are the words which are who is sitting on the last bench tell us about the girl who is my sister. Who is sitting on the last bench is my sister. The girl who is sitting on the last bench is my sister. So who is sitting on the last bench is an adjective clause because it is telling us about the noun, that is the girl. So we have some more examples of adjective clauses like my mother wore a sari which I gave her. We went to the hall which had a big stage. Here you can see the letters which I gave her. So which thing we are talking about? We are talking about a sari which my mother gave her, right? So which I gave her is an example of adjective clause. We went to the hall which had a big stage. We are talking about which hall? Which had a big stage. So which had a big stage are the words which we can take as adjective clause. So students, this was all about what I wanted to make you understand about the noun clauses and the adjective clauses. And I'll take your queries and doubts in our next video. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.